Hi, you are welcome to my channel. Today I would like to take us on fault diagnosis of a faulty sphygmomanometer BP apparatus. This is faulty, it's malfunctioning, so we are going to look at it to find out what the fault is. So in my previous video I was able to show you various parts of this very apparatus here, but I wouldn't mind doing it again. This is the pump, air pump. Then you have the airbag here and the casing here. That's the pack. So we have the airbag inside. Then here you have the gauge and the glass tube. Then here you have the mercury port that contains the mercury that travels along this very tube, transparent tube, calibrated. So we are now going to operate this machine because this machine is faulty. Let's operate and see how it goes. But one thing I want to remind us is that this very cover here, you can always remove this cover and wash it, since you use it on various patients, so you need to wash it frequently. Okay, so let me wrap it back. Then after wrapping it, I will now proceed on operating it. So this is the lock. Let me lock it effectively. So I am expecting to see the mercury travel this part or comes up or come up. So let me pump. You can see that the mercury is finding it hard to come up. Even if it does, it goes back. That shows us that there is a leakage. Now, what are we going to do? Since we found out that there is a leakage here, what we have to do is using same pragmatic approach in finding out what the fault is. So I will remove the pump. This is the pump, to find out if this very pump is okay. So what we are going to do is a very simple test. The test is that we have to compress this. If I compress this pump holding the valve below or under, I am not expecting this pump to come back to its original form. It has to retain this particular compressed form. But if it does comes back, you know that it's faulty. But if it doesn't, then it's confirmed that this very pump is okay. So we are now going to practicalize it. So let me compress it. I am going to compress it hard. You see, it's well compressed, and I will hold the valve under. So it's showing that it's not leaking. It's retained its compressed form. Then if I leave it, it will come back to its original form. So we've been able to confirm that this very pump is okay. Now we keep it aside and go over to the airbag. I have to untie and bring it out. So I can see a top part of this that is to show that the airbag is faulty already. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to detach this from the main body and change it to a new one. So I am going to throw this away and bring in a new one. This is a new airbag now. So what I'm going to do is that I will wrap it in opposite direction. Sometimes you apply powder for seamless insertion into this bag. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to position it well and insert it into the bag. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Arrange it in a way that it will spread inside this bag. Okay, I've been able to achieve that. So I have succeeded in inserting the bag into this casing. So I wrap it around for testing. So I'm expecting this change to give us a positive result now. So I will connect one of the tubing to the mercury port Then connect the other one to the pump, air pump here. Yes. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So here, I will now have to lock and pump. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Okay. So let me pump now. Wow. You can see the seamless movement of the mercury. And it's retaining its position without falling back. So let me lose it. Can you see it? Okay, let me tighten again and pump. The pressure is now solid. So we've been able to diagnose the fault of this very sphygmomanometer. So the fault comes from the bag, which we've been able to change. Please keep on watching my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. More of this practical demonstration will come your way. Thank you for watching.